Hello, all my dear friends. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, I think all of you are seeing me for the first time, isn't it? Hello, 8th standard, or 8th standard of the Expert International School. Okay, this is Mithun Raj from Cochin, Kerala. Okay, your science teacher. I already started classes for 8th, not ninth and 10th standard students. For you, I think this is the my first video log. Okay, so I know about these corona situations and all my dear kids. So this corona time is a very dangerous time for all of the people in this world. Not only kids, all the people, not only our country, the entire world is suffering from this pandemic. So being a good student, what do you want to do? You must stay home, stay safe, understand? And eat good food, drink a lot of water, and health and hygiene maintaining. Wash your hands every time with soap whenever you are going outside and coming from outside also. At the same time, use hand sanitizers, use mask, gloves, and every safety protection instruments as per the government rule. The best thing is to stay at home. Understand? If you are staying at home, that's the best thing you can do. Okay? Okay, myself Mithun Raj from this part of the world. So we will start or we will discuss about the science. So first of all, just leave it. These things are not yours, okay? This is another class. This is not yours. Don't get confused. It's not your class, it's another class. Okay, this is only an introductory class for science. Okay, and 8th standard science is not that much difficult. Okay, it's only the basics. Only the basics. The most of these basics you already studied in 4th standard, 5th standard, and 6th standard. Okay, like your environment and all. Most of the things you studied. It's been a bit more elaborate topics from that lower section classes. So basically, regarding science, you know that our main science is divided into three different subjects: physics, chemistry, and biology. Okay, these three parts are equally divided and they have equal weightage of marks. Okay, they have equal weightage of marks. So don't tell that I don't like chemistry, I don't like physics, I don't like biology. You must study all these three things. And if you are looking for this medical field in future, concentrate more on this biology part. Understand? Mostly this biology, 9th standard and 10th standard is more important than the 8th. But having good knowledge is not a problem, isn't it? If anybody will scold you for having more knowledge, no, nobody will, isn't it? So I don't think this is the base. You must, as a science student, you must know all these things. It's the common things you must know in your future life also. As a human being living in the society, you must know all these things. So it's only an introduction. Okay. So physics, chemistry, and biology. Physics mostly it is the study of matter and energies. Okay, matters. Okay, different particles. Like what? Solid, liquid, gas, different states of matter. Energy, sunlight, electricity, heat energy, electrical energy. Isn't it? So this is the study of matter and energy. And this another part called as chemistry. It is the study of what? Chemicals and its reactions. Okay, what all things is happening regarding chemical reactions around our surroundings, that is the part called as chemistry. The next part is the biology. It is the study of life, the study of plants and animals. Biology itself is divided into two: anatomy and not anatomy, botany and zoology. Okay, anatomy it comes for medical students, not for few students. Well, you it is only divided as biology, and it's a very basic thing regarding biology. It's very easy. A bit difficult part is from physics side. It will be a bit more confusing for you. It's a bit twisty. You won't understand that at the first step because it's not a direct questions. Okay, but I will try to make all these chapters as simple as possible for you. Okay, you are my beloved kids, isn't it? That's my duty to do that. Okay, so I think we will enjoy studying science. Okay, I will tell that science don't spend a lots of time. Simply don't waste a lot of time regarding science. What you want to do? You must understand it well. What all things you are studying in this textbook, actually, we can make it take examples from the surroundings we are living. Understand? Our everyday life is science. Actually, our everyday life is science. The air we breathe, the light we are using to see things, the ear we are using to hear this sound. Isn't it? Can you hear me? All these things are applications of science. If we are able to relate all these incidents with your syllabus, then science is simple. Understand? Don't by heart. Don't by heart it. Never by heart science. If you by heart Hindi, it is fine. If you by heart Kannada, it is fine. If you by heart English, it is fine. You can even by heart social science, it is fine. But maths anyway you cannot by heart. Okay? The same thing is about science. If you by heart science, no problem. You will get marks. I am 100% sure you will get marks. But what's the problem? The next year is the continuation from this topic. Understood? From 8th standard, it is the continuation towards the 9th standard. If you are by hearting everything means you will forget everything the next year. How many of you can remember all those things you studied in last year? I am 100% sure you are by hearting last year. Isn't it? Anybody else not by hearting? Okay, come on, just tell the truth. Okay? Okay, almost 80% of what we studied last year, we already forgot that. Because it's a huge gap. Because of this corona time, it's a huge gap. The same thing will happen next year also. If you are by hurting everything means you will lose it. Understand? You will lose that flow. And for science, what we want to do? We must build basics. Okay? We must build base. A strong base will help a lot. A strong base will help a lot. And if you once you got that strong base, your higher studies will be very, very easy. Understand? Lots of students are there, those who will feeling very difficult to study this science. So what's the reason? Their base is very weak. So actually this base we want to build it from your smaller classes. I think most of you are not taken science that much seriously, but from this year onwards study it. Okay? Once you study it, it must be in your mind. It must not go anywhere else. And if once you got that base, then science will be like cakewalk, a piece of cake. It is very easy to eat one piece of cake, isn't it? Or if I tell that learning science is like that, take that cake, eat it. It is as simple as it looks. Anyway, so one here is there. We can hope for that. So, just an introduction about the first chapter of the science, and it is from, and we cannot say it is from biology part. It's our environment or natural resources. I think natural resources is not from this biology part. 1 second, I will just check the name of that chapter. I think it's natural resources. Okay, it's natural resources. That's the first chapter of science. It's a neutral subject, not physics, not chemistry, not biology. Natural resources, about natural resources you studied a lot. In science also you studied, in social also you study. Resources, natural resources, what all things we have around us, that is called as natural resources. Naturally, what all things we have. For example, forest, water, air, sunlight, minerals, all these things are our natural resources, isn't it? And why these natural resources are important? Why resources are important for human beings? Not only for human beings, for animals and all. Because we need to depend upon each other to survive in this world, isn't it? If we, the humans, want to survive, we need, the basic thing is what? Food, water and air. We need food, we need water and we need air. Understand? Our human body cannot make all the things what we need. Some of the things the body is adjusting, but it cannot make all the things we need. So that what we must do, we must depend upon something. Okay? We must depend upon the outside world. So the air, it is getting free, isn't it? Just imagine that if you want to pay to breathe air. Is it weird? Anyway, now is no problem. Maybe in future it will come. Nowadays we are buying drinking water for money. Isn't it? 20 rupees per liter. 50 years, if you are telling somebody about this, means they will slap you. Huh? Drinking water, we must pay for that. Just imagine, my kids, it's water, it's a basic amenity is for a human being. It's our basic need. And we need to pay for that. 50 years before, if I say this to somebody else, they will slap me. Yes, it will happen in future. Just see, this air will also be going to pay for air. In some metropolitan cities, in European cities, they are providing breathing rooms because the air pollution is too much. That's why they are making breathing rooms in between those cities, so that the common people can go inside, like a telephone booth. Put a coin for 5 minutes, we can get inside the booth and you can breathe fresh oxygen. See where the world is going on. Why this is happening to us is because of we are depleting these natural resources. We are not wisely handling this. Understand? We are wasting it. We are wasting our natural resources. A detailed study of these natural resources comes in 10th standard, okay, in social studies and also in science. But this is only a base about that. How to conserve our natural resources, conventional resources, non-conventional resources, and how much abundant is our how much abundant is our earth with these natural resources. All those things are the main thing we are going to study in this chapter. So the next class onwards we will go with start with the syllabus. This is only an introductory class. Okay, I hope this science will be very easy for you. Daily go to that WhatsApp group and check in for the logged videos. Anyway, it is recorded videos. You won't miss it. If you are starting online class, if you are not at time, you will miss that class. This is recording videos. We are sending to that link. We will send to this WhatsApp group. And while watching the videos, go to direct YouTube link. Okay, don't watch it in WhatsApp. Go to direct YouTube link. If there means the video has full clarity. If you are seeing it in WhatsApp, means the clarity won't be there. You won't understand all those things in that videos. And any doubts regarding the syllabus and all, you can post it in the WhatsApp group or you can directly contact me. Okay. So, my dear kids, during this time, you already know it's not safe to go outside. So, better stay at home. Okay. Be healthy and be hygiene. That's the thing you must do regarding a good student. Okay. So, the next class onwards, we will start with the 8th standard science. It's a simple subject. It's not that much difficult. Okay. Few question answers are there and some parts from physics it is difficult. That we will take more time to study that things. Okay. For physics we will take more times and some diagrams and all is there from chemistry and biology. Apart from that, it is very simple. So, this is Mithun Raj, your science master, signing off from this part of the world. Stay home, stay safe. Bye, my kids, and Jai Hind.